Hi guys, welcome to Toronto Vasi YouTube channel. In this video, we will be covering what is the process to fill the web form for your passport submission and also the payment details. Let's get started. So this is the home page of your web form submission. I'll be giving this link in the description so that you can easily get into that. So the first step is that it will ask for visa category. If you are a student, then you should go for temporary resident visa. You submit your biometric or not? Yes, I have did already. I did that. So once I'm done with that, it is asking for you where did you give your biometric, the location. For me, it's going to be Chennai. And also for one web form you have to create for each candidate. For example, if you're traveling as a family or a couple, then you have to create two separate web forms. So for now it's like by default it's one only, you cannot change that. So you have to enter your pin code number so that you can check whether it's possible for them to collect the passport from you. So if it is possible, then it will automatically open the next page, or else it will give you like a notification that it's not possible, you have to drop it into that location. So the next details are like the address. So I have to give the address, like the source and the destination address are the same here. For example, if you are choosing your home address as your pickup address, then the passport will be delivered to the same address as a pickup address that's mentioned here. The same address will be considered as drop. So you have to give in the address very clearly. The next one is the applicant details. So here you have to fill in with the whatever given in your passport. The same details you have to fill in: first name, last name, application number. It's given in your OPR, that's a PPR form. So that you have to give here, and also the email ID, the official email that you are given for your passport, and the mobile number, alternate contact number. And also you have to select yes for this paid SMS service, because in each update, once a passport is received, once a visa is stamped, all those updates will be given to you in the form of SMS also. So for that you need to select yes here. And also if you have selected premium services, then you can select yes or no based upon that. Followed by you have to upload your OPR, that is your PPR form that you received in your GC key. So once that is done, you have to enter this captcha, and then you can easily sign off your acknowledgement. And also just make sure that everything given here is correct. Once that is done, you can submit your web form. This is the acknowledgement I received. I just took a screenshot of this. So as per this, it will give you a reference number. 37621 is my reference number. So similarly, you will receive one. Give some time for them, because for right now what we could see is 4 to 5 days it's taking for you to get the payment link. So the next step will be showing you what is the payment link, and also you will get an acknowledgement mail once you paid your once you created your web form. So in this picture you can see this is the acknowledgement mail that I received. You can see the same reference number is quoted here, and also you can see that. So after 3 to 4 days at the maximum, you will get a payment mail. So you should be cautious when you look at your inboxes, because you won't receive any messages right now. You will get a mail only, and you have to pay the payment link within 4 to 5 hours once you receive mail. So you can see here all the information about you will be given here. You have to cross check them once before paying anything, and also the invoice number will be given here. There will be a link given below, so you have to click on that link in that mail and you have to make the payment. This payment link is valid only for 4 to 5 hours, so you have to make sure that you check your inbox and then you pay for that. Otherwise you have to create the web form again and wait for 2 to 3 days to get your payment link. So this is a sample of the PPR, that means the OPR request that you receive in your GC key. So you can see that they're requesting you to create submit your passport, because a decision has been made for you, and these are the information. This is the application number. This number you have to fill in your web form. So once you have made your payment, you will automatically receive a mail in a Gmail saying that this is a receipt for your payment. So once you get that, just reply back to the same mail, the payment link mail, saying that you have paid your payment, and you have attached that mail here, so that you will get your AWP, that is the tracking number for the blue dot, so that you are getting here. Please make sure to get that. Thanks for watching this video till now. I hope this video would have covered all the doubts that you have in raising a web form. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our content. In the next video, we'll be covering the stages involved from the time your passport is picked up till it gets delivered to you after stamping. Stay tuned to your channel because we'll be releasing the travel experience from India to Canada with videos.